Hello and good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I hope that yes, I'm getting that. Am I audible? Dimple,
Yes,
Rutvik.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we are towards the ending of this semester. Maybe the second week of the October is your last date for the term ending. So today we are going to start a new module. Okay. So the module name is the drilling and blasting. I hope that the screen is visible to you. So we are going to learn unit number 4. You can see here unit number 4, and the name of that module is drilling and blasting. So we will try to understand the drilling, why it is required, what kind of safety is required during the drilling. Meanwhile, we will see for the blasting also. Blasting is required to demolish certain kind of the structure, or you can use blasting in case of the tunnel construction. Okay. So for that, we will try to understand and learn thoroughly drilling and blasting procedure, what kind of safety requires, what are the guidelines that you need to follow in case of drilling and blasting as well. Meanwhile, in today's lecture, we are going to learn the necessary drilling and various factors that can be affect the selection of the equipment for the drilling. So we will see that. Okay. And next is the different types of the drills and the guidelines that we need to follow during the drilling operation. So we are going to learn this all things regarding the drilling and blasting. Okay. So let us start a new module. I think majority of you are in this lecture. Okay, fine. So in today's lecture, yes, first and foremost thing, we need to understand the word drilling itself. Here you can see the drilling word is there. So we need to understand the drilling. So drilling is the process of making a hole. If you want to make a hole over there, simply put a drilling equipment, you will get a hole. But that hole should be in a particular of a particular size. Okay, that means diameter and depth. Okay, so the geometry is required to carry out the drilling operation. So here, what is written here? Drilling is the process of making hole in the solid materials such as the rock, timber, metal, etc. So drilling is the simple procedure to making a hole in the certain kind of the solid material, which is available at the local site, which you can call it the rock, timber, and metal, right? So drilling is that procedure, and sometimes we require to drill to blast the rock. Okay, suppose we are constructing a tunnel, then we require, if there is a hard strata is there, so we need to blast that rock. Okay, so for blasting purpose, drilling is necessary to make a hole in the rock to place explosive in the drill hole. Normally what happens, so if you want to construct a tunnel, you required a blasting if there is a hard strata. So at that time you need to bore a hole in the rock so that you can place explosive material, right, into that drill hole, and you can just push a button for explosion procedure. So that will involve the drilling as well as the blasting. So drilling and blasting are indirectly connected with each other. Okay, so you cannot separate those two things. So drilling is required, and also in case of blasting, drilling is also required. So these both two words are interconnected, right? So what you need to keep in mind is drilling is the procedure to make a hole. Okay, anything, any solid material, you can say. So you just drop down a one point over in your notebook that drilling. What do you mean by drilling? To making it is the process of making a hole in the solid materials. So just make a point in your notebook. Okay. Raj Patel is there.
Sir. Yes, sir.
ओके हाँ આવી ગયા ભાઈ ઓકે ચલો સરસ. Okay, so the point is You need to write down the simple keyword to making a hole in the solid material, that is called the drilling. So now let us try to understand the blasting, the word blasting, because we are learning the module number 4, that is drilling and blasting. So I have given a definition of drilling. Now let us understand the blasting. Okay. So for that, the blasting word is used to indicate the discharging of an explosive to loosen the rock so that you can turn them into a small pieces of a stone. Like blasting, you normally તમે aware છો. Okay. So what you can do, we are using the explosive material, which તમે નામ સાંભળ્યું હશે, RDX, okay, dynamites, okay. So that kind of explosive materials we are placing into the drilled hole, and we are discharging that explosive so that the rock can be loosened and the material can be removed and tunnel can be constructed, you can say. Okay. So that is the meaning of the blasting. So you need to write down a keyword here. Blasting means discharging a explosion or explosive material. What is the purpose of the blasting? To loosen the rock. Okay. Sometime it can be used for the demolition of the structure. Okay. Demolition of the structure, demolition, you can say. Okay. Demolition. Okay. So that kind of thing you require for blasting purpose. Normally blasting is used for demolition and tunnel construction. Okay. Sometimes in case of the bridge construction also, if the rock is very hard, we cannot pile it, so we need to apply the blast. Okay, there. And after the blasting, remove the material and just go on to up to the your required depth. So here you need to note down the word discharging of the explosive to loosen the rocks. So that is the meaning of the blasting, right? So that is the
Hello?
case. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me.
Hello?
Yes.
સર બ્લાસ્ટિંગ એટલે જે અમુક જગ્યાએ જે હાસ્ટેટ આવે ને એસ્કેવેશન કરવાનું હોય ને જે ઓલા શું કહેવાય સુતળી બોમ્બ નાખીને જે ખોદકામ કરે છે એ જ ને બ્લાસ્ટિંગ એટલે
હા, સુતળી બોમ્બ ના હોય.
પણ હા
હા,
સર
સુતળી
એવું
બોમ્બ થી
જ
કઈ ના થાય. બટ તમારે હા એક્સપ્લોઝિવ મટીરિયલ તમારે યુઝ કરવું પડે. ઓકે.
હા
સુતળી બોમ્બ તો આપણે હા નાનું કહેવાય. So that is a explosive material but in a large scale. Okay. So that is the required. Any doubt in this? Okay. So we are moving further. These are the words which are familiar to you, but what we need to know about this word is the next procedure. Okay. So you need to write down this all 6 points in your notebook so that you can understand why drilling is required. Okay. So try to write down these words, okay, these points in your notebook, and try to understand. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So majority of the points are familiar to you. So write down the necessity of the drilling. I can ask in your examination. So write a short note on the necessity of a drilling. Okay. So these are the necessity why we require drilling. Okay. So write down these 6 points in your notebook and mention yes if you have completed. Okay, many of you have written this thing. Okay, so anyone is remaining? Simply mention you so I can get the idea. Anyone with the pending? Okay, so I hope that you are aware about all these words. However, I am reading these words and points so that you can easily understand. So, why drilling is required? Number one is breaking the rocks for the foundation. If you want to construct a foundation of a particular dam is a very huge structure. So, for that, you required to break down the rocks at the bottom to carry out the foundation work. So, at that time, drilling is required. Okay, and second point, you can see getting the stones from the quarry. ક્વેરી મીન્સ આપણે ખાણ કહી શકીએ ને ખાણમાંથી તમારે પથ્થર જોતા હોય તો તમે ડ્રિલિંગ નો યુઝ કરશો. ઓકે, then very important thing, roads in the to construct a road, making is the wrong word here, to construct the road in the mountains. Okay, so that is also at that time we required the drilling. Meanwhile, for the tunnel construction, right? So the tunnel construction, if you are want to construct a tunnel across the mountain, so at that time drilling is also required. Further, for the sinking caissons and well foundation. Now you are aware about the well foundation. Well foundation is a type of the deep foundation in the hydraulic structure. You are aware about the caissons. Caissons is nothing but that is your well foundation and the for the sinking purpose. Okay, so at that time you require drilling at the bottom. Okay, so it is a type of the foundation. And finally, if you want to lay down a pipeline network in the rocky strata, so at that time you require a drilling. If anybody can add few points other than this, they are welcome. તમને આના સિવાય કોઈ પોઈન્ટ ધ્યાનમાં આવે છે? ડ્રિલિંગ કઈ જગ્યાએ યુઝ થાય? જો આપણે બધી વસ્તુ લઈ લીધી, ફાઉન્ડેશન થી માંડી અને પાઇપલાઇન નેટવર્ક ઇન ધ રોકી સ્ટ્રેટા, માઉન્ટેન રોડ્સ, query, tunnel construction, sinking of the caisson. આના સિવાય બીજું કઈ યાદ આવે છે? So you can add that also. Anybody other than this?
Hello.
Yes.
સર પાણીનો જે જમીનમાં બોર કરે ને એમાં જે ઊંડો કરવાનો હોય તો એમાં ડ્રિલિંગનો યુઝ કરે.
Yes, definitely, yes. So at that time also required drilling, but majority with the concern of the civil engineering, you can use this kind of points, and you can add few more as per your mindset and as per your observation, right? So these are the drilling necessity, why we require drilling in the field of the civil engineering. Next is a very important thing, various factors or aspect you need to keep in mind to selecting a drilling equipment. Okay, we will see the different types of the drilling equipment in later slides, but first of all we need to understand the various factors. Okay, so first and foremost thing, hardness of the rock is very important thing. Okay, how hard is your rock is, so that we can find out from the laboratory test. Okay, so that is the, you can take a sample of that rock. You need to core cut આપણે કોર કટર તમારે હોય સોઇલ માં જેવી રીતે રોક નું પણ કોર કટર થાય, એને ન્યુક્લિયર ટેસ્ટ કહેવાય. ઓકે, so you need to perform a nuclear test and take a sample from the rock. Okay, and perform the hardness test in the laboratory. Okay, depth of the borehole, very important aspect. Meanwhile, so that you can remember during the exam. Okay, further, nature of the terrain, very important, because if you are working in a very hard strata or in the mountainous region, small kind of drilling equipment cannot be work, and it will not effective for a very hard strata. So you need to keep in mind the nature of the terrain, texture of the rock. Texturing nothing but hardness is the point, and second is the texture. Texture એટલે ચડકાટ તમે કહી શકો. તો ચડકાટ ઉપરથી તમે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરી શકો કે ભાઈ રોક જે છે કેટલો હાર્ડ હશે રફલી. ઓકે, સો ટેક્સચર ઇઝ ઓલ્સો ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. ફર્ધર, purpose of the hole. For which kind of purpose you are using, you are boring that hole, whether it is for the blasting, grouting procedure, investigation procedure, or etc. Okay, so the factor or the drilling equipment can vary as per your purpose of the hole. Okay, further, availability of the water. Okay, so amount of water and water availability in the groundwater table, that is also key factor. Okay, and that normally you can call it as a soil profile. Okay, and finally size of the project. Okay, so if you are doing a dam construction, your project size is very large because we required a huge amount of the concrete to construct a dam. So that is the very large project. If you are using for the demolition of a particular structure, of a, let us say for a multi-story building or for a span of a 10-meter bridge. Okay, so that is your project size is very less. Okay, so you need to write down these points in your notebook. Okay, so write down these words in your notebook. So just simply mention yes if you have completed. Okay, just a minute so I can add into that group. Okay, now you can simply mention yes in the chat box. Okay, Hardik, you have got that. Any other factor you can add on as per your mindset? Yeah. So this is what I have written down, but you can mention your points. Okay, we will discuss as you have completed the writing of these factors. Okay. Okay. Anybody wants to add a few points regarding this? Anybody? Points for the other than these points, if you want to add. Any doubt in this? If you are not finding the connection of this factor with the drilling equipment type, just tell me so I can connect that and it will be the easy for you. Ultimate thing is you are aware about this thing, but when you are working on the project, if you miss any of this factor, let us say you have neglected the availability of the water, then it will be a very huge problem at the site if the water is there. Okay, so you are using a particular driller and water comes forcefully into your site. Okay, so that is also a point. Okay, majority of you have written. Namrata, tell me what you understand from this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me the answer of the question that how purpose of the hole is connected with the drilling equipment type. પ્રશ્ન સમજાણો. Namrata, I am asking to you.
हाँ सर.
હા, પ્રશ્ન સમજાણો.
हाँ.
હા, બોલો, આન્સર બોલો.
हाँ સર, વિચારી લો.
અચ્છા, વિચારી લો, ચલો વાંધો નહીં. હાર્દિક ત્રિવેદી.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me the answer.
એક વાર repeat કરો ને સર એકવાર question.
હા, ક્વેશ્ચન એ છે કે how the purpose of the hole is directly connected with the drilling equipment type.
દઉં હું છે વિચાર.
અચ્છા હા વિચારજો વિચારજો. ચલો એનીબડી આપણે કોણ છે હવે અત્યારે પાછું પૂછીએ આપણે ભાઈ સાર થોડેદરા છે. નથી. ઓકે પછી વેદાંત.
Yes, sir.
यस टेल मी.
Sir, can you
हाँ,
repeat
sir.
the question?
अच्छा आपका ध्यान नहीं है, मैं रिपीट नहीं करूंगा, आप आंसर दे दो.
सर मेरे को
तो
क्वेश्चन याद है कुछ ड्रिलिंग इक्विपमेंट से, बट इधर वॉइस की थोड़ी दिक्कत है नेटवर्क की. मैं
अच्छा,
एक्चुअली ट्रैवल
तो-
कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा कहाँ ट्रैवल कर रहे हो?
मैं सिटी में ही हूँ, मार्केट में जा रहा हूँ.
अच्छा मार्केट में जा रहे हो. हाँ हाँ हाँ, तो तुम लेक्चर छोड़ ही दो, क्योंकि मार्केट में अगर वहाँ पे ज्यादा होगा तो आप क्या करोगे, है ना. मार्केट में जा रहे हो आप. ओके फाइन. सो हाउ द पर्पस ऑफ ए होल इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड विद द ड्रिलिंग इक्विपमेंट टाइप. आ पर्पस ऑफ होल जे छे, ये पर्पस जो है होल का, वो कैसे ड्रिलिंग इक्विपमेंट टाइप से कनेक्टेड है?
क्या सर, प्लीज एक और बार रिपीट करो.
ओके अब मैं छोड़ ही देता हूँ, है ना. हाँ रिपीट करता रहेंगे, पूरी जिंदगी रिपीट करते रहेंगे, है ना. कोई बात नहीं, छोड़ दो उसको. ओके हु वांट्स टू ट्राई? हर्ष्याम सिंह जाडेजा, તમારું શું કેવું છે?
યસ સર.
હા તમારું શું કેવું છે?
શેના વિશે સર?
હા એ જ પ્રશ્ન છે મોટો મિત્ર. ઓકે વાંધો નહીં. મિહિર.
હા સર.
યસ ટેલ મી ધ આન્સર.
સર આપણે એ રીતના ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ આપણે યુઝ કરવા, આપણે કેવી એની આ સ્ટ્રેટા છે એ ઉપર બધું કે આ સ્ટ્રેટા હોય તો એ રીતના ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ યુઝ કરવા પડે.
પર્પઝ ઓફ હોલ એ કેવી રીતે કનેક્ટેડ છે? Simple thing. Just understand. We need to check for all the factors for the purpose of the whole. આના purpose સિવાયના બધા factor આપણે compare કરવા પડે ભાઈ. So we are talking about this purpose of the whole, right? So we need to check whether it is a hard road, depth of the bore, nature of the terrain, type of the rock, availability of the water, and size of the project. Further, for the grounding, once again you can repeat for all the things, right? So that is how it is connected with each other. Okay, so all the factors are connected with each other. So when you specifically talk about any one point, it is directly connected with the equipment type. ठीक है. अब अगर आपका पर्पस ब्लास्टिंग का है तो आपको ये सभी देखना पड़ेगा वापस से, इसीलिए इट इज कनेक्टेड. वेरी हार्ड रॉक है तो उस टाइप का आपको इक्विपमेंट यूज करना पड़ेगा. ग्राउटिंग के लिए उसके उसके हिसाब से आपको इक्विपमेंट यूज करना पड़ेगा. That is, it is connected with the purpose of the whole and all the type of the factors. Okay, so I hope that you are getting these ideas regarding these points. Now let us try to understand the different types of the drills. Here you can see there are two types of the drills. Here you can see the number one is, you need to write down in your notebook, abrasion drill. એટલે ઘર્ષણથી આપણે ડ્રિલ કરી શકીએ. અને પરકશન, બરાબર, એ આપણે જોશું એટલે તમને ખ્યાલ આવશે. પ્રેશર we can use percussion, એટલે તમે પ્રેશર યાદ રાખી શકો. So we have two types of the abrasion drill. Two types of the drills. Number one is the abrasion and percussion. So in case of abrasion drill, the grinding of rock into the small particles are carried out through the abrasive effect. As I mentioned earlier, abrasive effect. Okay, ઘર્ષણથી આપણે ડ્રિલ કરવાનું ટ્રાય કરીશું. Of a bit is nothing but that is a lowest part of your drill which rotate in the hole. Okay, so in case of abrasion drills, we will see the image so you can get the idea. Abrasion drills use the abrasive effect okay, for drilling purpose. So there are two types of the abrasive drills. You can see the short drill are there. So name it is suggesting short drill for the short depth, and diamond drills. So you can prepare a pie chart. You can prepare a flow chart like this. So there are drilling. Here you can see the two types of the drilling, right? Here you can write down. Further, you can write down the number 1 point, which is the abrasive drill, and second here for the percussion drill, right? So in that we have a two types, sword drill and diamond drills. So sword drill and diamond drills. You can prepare like a flow chart like this, as I mentioned here, right? So let us see the image so you can get the idea. Yes, this is the sword drill type. You can see. So normally it is carried out manually. You can see here a persons are there applying the force over here on this bar and try to drill it. Okay, you can put it a machine over there also for the sword drill, but it will cost very high. Okay, you can see here the diamond drills. Boring ring is there. You can say abrasion. Okay, so that will try to bore a hole in the downward direction. Okay, so that is the diamond drill. You can easily remember by the picture. Okay, further, in case of the percussion drill, you can say that we have a total 6 type of the drills. So as I mentioned a chart over there, what you need to write down, we have a basically 2 types of the drill, right? One is the abrasion, second is the percussion. So in the abrasion we have a 2 types, sword drills and diamond drills. Okay, sword drills and diamond drills. Okay, in case of percussion drill, we have a 6 type, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. You can write it down this in your write down as a this chart in your notebook. So first here you can write down the C for the churn drill. Okay, D for drifter, J for jackhammer, piston drill for P, rotary hammer drill for you can mention R, and wagon drill for W. Okay, so C D J P R W. So you can remember like that, C D J P R W. Okay, so that is a short trick you can use. You can use any other short trick for remember. Okay, so let us understand the percussion drill. So the disintegration of a rock into the small particles. Okay, so purpose of the drill is you need to mention. So why we are performing the drill? To disintegrate એટલે કે આપણે પથ્થર જે છે ને છૂટા પાડવા છે. Disintegrate, integration એટલે ભેગું કરવું. Disintegration એટલે છૂટું પાડવું. So disintegration of a rock into the small particles. આપણે મોટો રોક છે એને નાના parts માં આપણે divide કરવો છે. So for that we are using the impact. Here you can see the percussion will be related with the impact. Impact from repeated blows. એટલે તમે hammer ની જેમ એની ઉપર repeated blow apply કરો અને જે drill થાય, that is your percussion drills. Okay, પહેલા કેસમાં કેવું હતું? You can see from here abrasion, right? So abrasion is the very important task for it. Here you can see the abrasion is very important factor in case of abrasive drills, abrasive effect. But while in case of the second one, percussion drilling, you can see the impact is very important thing. For percussion, we required impact. Drifters, jackhammers, pistol drills, rotary percussion, or wagon drill. So just take a screenshot of this. Okay, and just prepare a flow chart of these 3 types of the drills. Okay, right? Now let us see the image so you can get the idea. So this is the churn time of type of drill. Okay, here you can see on your screen churn type of drill, right? These images are used for your reference only. Drifters are there. Okay, So we require certain kind of the water pressure over there, and repetitive blows are there. Okay. Then you can see the jackhammer and piston drills. Okay, so we have a piston over there, as we have find in the engines of the car. We have a piston drill. A piston is attached. Okay, and it is connected with the hydraulic flood, connected with the power control, and it run through the hydraulic fluid. Okay, so piston drilling is there. You can see on your screen. So I have one best example for jackhammer. In this you cannot understand. Okay, but if I can share a screen with you, I have a one game with game in my mobile. So I will show you how jackhammer works. Okay, so if I can share a screen with you. Okay, and now I'm stop sharing this screen. Okay, and now I'm try to share my screen of mobile, and which I have a one game, very interesting one. So I have find a connection of the drilling in our lecture. Okay, so I think, is this visible to you, everybody?
Yes, sir.
My phone screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Right, I need to go for that, what I can see. Yes, I need to pin it. Okay, so now I am going to that game. Okay, yes, it is a pocket tank, you can say. Okay, so I'm just run through a jackhammer that. Okay, so you can get the idea why I'm using this kind of application for learning. You can also do these things. Okay, so very interesting one. You can play and it will enhance your. So I'm simply push a play, and what we can say. I will build one player. Okay, simple. Just name it K. Okay, I prefer green. Difficulty very low, so I can win the game. And here you can see I am drug down. If drillers are there, I will pick the drillers. Okay, which is used for the drilling purpose. And if I have a jackhammer in that, otherwise I need to go for once again. We don't have a jackhammer in this. Okay, so I have to repeat that work once again so that I can get the jackhammer there. Here you can see. No. Let us go for the two players. So if I get the jackhammer there, so I can show you how it works. Yes, we have a jackhammer there. You can see, right? So I'm picking up, and I am picking the two jackhammers. No, I will not pick that. Okay. So I will pick here also. So now I will quickly show that, and now I will apply the jackhammer. So you can easily understand. So let us begin the game. Okay. So this is the terrain, you can say. And now I will simply, yes, I have a jackhammer for that. Okay, so I need to set an angle over there. Let us set this thing, yes, and use power very. Let us try to target him. Okay, who is there? Target there. As per my angle would be the 63 and power would be the 55. Let us try. So what when I fire it, you can see I have fired the jackhammer. What will we do? It will create an impact load. You can say just in front of our enemy. So that is the jackhammer. Are you getting this or not? So it will creating a impact load on that, right? Now the problem is solved. Should I apply from the both side? Let us say I'm once again we can repeat so you can get the idea. If I have a drillers in that, it will also use very heavily. So let us apply a force. Now I will use once again that jackhammer so that you can easily understand. Now I will enhance my power. So I think, okay. So 2 will be the enough. Now it will be hit like think that is as per my accuracy. Okay, just in front of that. So that is the impact hammer, right? So that is it. So now I will stop the game, and so that is how I connect the my learning with the real world. Okay, and now I'm stop sharing the screen. Right. So hope that you are understand that thing, and now if any kind of doubt in this, you can ask me. I hope that you are understand jackhammer very well, isn't it? Any doubt है?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So I think this is the interesting way of learning. You can also use that kind of thing in your uh, in the real world and digital world. Okay, so that is the jackhammer. Okay, now you are aware about different types of the drills, particularly in case of the you can say the percussion drilling. It will create an impact. We have blowing the 5 times, so that is the jackhammer. Okay, further you can see we have a rotary drills. You can see this kind of drills are available in the market. A majority for the slab demolition. Okay, so we can use this kind of drills. Further, wagon drills. So we can move from one place to another place. Okay, so at that time we have a slightly inclined slope. Okay, so this is the wagon drill. Okay, I hope that you are getting the very important lesson from the different types of the drill, right? Further, as we move on, just try to remember these criterias. If I not try to, you need to remember this thing, my dear friends. I can ask in a short question and MCQs. Okay, so at the end we will see the MCQs related to this slide. Okay, so I will ask few questions of MCQs, and let us test your knowledge. Okay, so what are the guidelines for the selecting drilling equipments? You can say. So first of all, jackhammer. Jackhammer is only used for the small holes up to the 3 meter depth. If you want to, if your bore hole depth is 3 meter up to 3 meter, you can use the jackhammer. Okay. Then diamond drills for the drilling holes up to the 8 centimeter diameter. अगर आपका होल का डायमीटर 8 सेंटीमीटर है और आपकी डेप्थ जो है डेप्थ का मेंशन इसमें a particular for in case of inclined hole. Okay, so at that time you require only inclined bore holes, and core you can go up to the 75 mm diameter. So normally what we are trying to drill is core hole. Okay, so first of all we need to loosen the surrounding soil, and after that you can drill for the 75 mm diameter. Okay, so diamond drill, it is a shape in the diamond, so it is why it is called the diamond. Okay, so at the bottom this type of drills are there. Okay, likewise, so this is rotating likewise, and it will drills. Okay, so core will be the this and outward, so you can simply say this the inner diameter or outer diameter. Okay, so in case of sword drills, obtaining cores of the 8 to 20 centimeter diameter. Piston drills for the drilling blast hole of the 15 centimeter diameter up to the 90-meter depth. Okay, so 90-meter depth is very huge depth. And rotary drills for the drilling blast holes up to 15 to 20 centimeter diameter and up to the 90-meter depth. So this statistical information you need to keep in mind. Okay, so now it is time for KBC, you can say, right? So I will ask few MCQ about this slide, okay, to a particular person, and everybody just write down the it is your test, you can consider. Okay, so write down the answers of the MCQs in your notebook, likewise A, B, C, D, likewise. Okay, and we at the end we will compare with the real answer so that we can understand how much you get right. Okay, so first MCQ, you need to write down in your notebook. Okay, I will not ask you. Okay, you just write down the. I will give only 20 seconds for per MCQ. Okay, so I have a timer with me. As the 20 second comes, the question will be swift. Okay, so let us start that your short quiz so that we can understand how much you are getting. And okay, so I am starting that MCQ quiz right now. So at the 20 second, you can I will shift the MCQ. Okay,
आंसर
just
आप ही
write.
दें सर.
ના ના આન્સર તમે બુકમાં લખતા જાઓ, પછી હું તમને કહીશ. Okay, that is your 5 marks test you can consider. Okay, 10 second is there, 20 second for per MCQ. Okay, this is your third MCQ. This is your fourth one. And finally, this is your fifth MCQ. So now your test is over, and let us compare your answer with the correct answers. So as I mentioning earlier that you need, if you are an engineer, you must have a very sharp observation power. આમાં કોઈ નોટિસ કર્યું કઈ? Anybody? આ જે સ્લાઇડ છે તેમાં કઈ નોટિસ કર્યું તમે? હે? Anybody? After that I will tell the secret for you. કોઈ નોટ કર્યું?
આગળ સ્લાઇડ હતી એમાંથી જ પૂછ્યું બધું.
હા એ તો છે જ. હા એના સિવાય
ડાયમેન્શન હતા સર બધા.
બટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ થિંગ છે આ ક્વેશ્ચન નો આન્સર જે છે તમે અહીંયા સ્ક્રીન ઉપર જો મેં આપેલો જ છે તમને, જો અહીંયા બાજુમાં દેખાય. C is the answer for this. So the jackhammer used for આ મને યાદ રહે એટલા માટે, હા બરોબર, એટલે મેં અહીંયા બાજુમાં હલવેથી લખી દીધું C, બરોબર, અને આન્સર આનો છે 3 મીટર ડેપ્થ. ઓકે, સો jackhammer used for small holes up to the 3 meter depth. So that is your correct answer. C is the correct answer. Okay, you can see for the second one we have once again C is the correct answer. So diamond drill used for the drilling holes up to the 8 meter depth, right? So 8 is the correct answer. Next, once again C.
સર
Yes,
આ 0.08 મીટર ના આવે
કઈ જગ્યાએ?
ડાયમંડ ડ્રિલ માં?
સર અમારે તો ડેપ્થ આપી જ નહીં ડાયમંડ માં તો.
ડાયમંડ
હા
હા
Okay, 8 centimeter diameter and 75 mm diameter. Okay, okay,
હા.
so okay, કશો વાંધો નહીં. So you can remember this MCQ, don't worry. Okay, આપણે depth જોતી હતી, depth મળી ગઈ. Otherwise let us move on to the third one. Okay, મેં થોડુંક સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ડેફિનેશન ઉપરથી લીધું હતું, મે બી એની સ્લાઇડમાં ના હોય તો you can just remember. Okay, further, the short drill used for obtaining the course from 8 meter to, so once again C is the answer, 30 meter. Okay,
સર 20 મીટર આવે. 20 મીટર
સર
આવે.
20 મીટર આવે સર.
28 to this one.
8 to 20.
Okay, not an issue, not an issue. Okay, જરા વેરીફાઈ કરી લેજો, વાંધો નહીં, મારે મિસમેચ થતું લાગે છે. Okay, so piston drill used for the drilling blast holes of the D is the answer, 15 centimeter diameter. Okay, and finally here is the answer. Okay, and finally we have a piston drill used for drilling blast holes up to the 90-meter depth. Okay, so C is the answer. So that is the case. If I'm missing one slide, just I'm sharing that depth slide. Okay, so I'm stop sharing this thing. Let me check it out. If I miss any kind of very useful information regarding the depth, so I will share that thing. Okay, fine. Nothing is missing. If the depth is not given, okay, that is for one online test is going on regarding the drilling. So I carried out that MCQ from that, and you need to remember that thing. Okay, don't worry. Further, if I share a very interesting thing with you that I'm presenting it to you. Okay. So I will re-verify these answers, and we will see that the correct answer. Okay. So don't worry about that. Okay. Further, what we can say is, yes, in the next lectures, we are going to discuss this thing, blasting, different kind of explosive used, explosion procedure, and safety in the blasting. Okay. But for that, I'm giving you one homework to you. Homework is for your kind information. We have understand the blasting definition. And here you can take a screenshot of this different kind of explosive used for the blasting: dynamite, ammonium nitrate, slurry, ANFO, ammonium nitrate fuel oil, and RDX, rapid detonating explosive. So your work is you need to find out the use, okay, and where it can be found, and how we can use this kind of blasting, and which type of construction. Okay, in which type of construction we can use this kind of blasting. I will ask in your next question, next lecture, and take a screenshot of this. You need to come up with the workout. આ પાંચે પાંચ વસ્તુ વિશે તમારે વર્કઆઉટ કરીને આવવાનું છે. જો આના વિશે તમે વર્કઆઉટ નથી કર્યું તો હું તમને ક્લાસમાંથી બહાર જતું રહેવાનું, બરાબર? તમે તમારી રીતે વાંધો નહીં, એન્જોય કરો, રાઈટ? સો આ પાંચ વસ્તુ વિશે ભલે એક જ વ્યક્તિએ કર્યું હશે તો આપણે એકને ભણાવશું, કોઈ ના કર્યું તો નહીં ભણાવીએ. બટ યુ નીડ ટુ હેડ ટુ કમ અપ વિથ ધીસ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ 5. આની યુઝ ક્યાં થાય, આ શું છે, સ્લરી શું છે, ક્યાં યુઝ થાય, અને કયા કન્સ્ટ્રક્શનમાં યુઝ થાય. આ પાંચે પાંચ વસ્તુ જે છે તમારે ચેકઆઉટ કરીને આવવાનું. અને જો તમને ઇમેજ મળી જાય તો ઇમેજ બેસ્ટ છે. ઓકે, સો વર્કઆઉટ કરીને આવજો. આપણે આવતા લેક્ચરમાં આપણે આ પૂછીશું જ, અને જે લોકો પાસે નહીં હોય એને સિમ્પલી આપણે ક્લાસમાંથી રિમૂવ કરી દેશું, અને બાકી જેટલા અવેલેબલ છે એને આપણે અભ્યાસ કરાવીશું આગળ, બરાબર? એટલે બ્લાસ્ટિંગ વેરી ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ છે. આપણે થોડાક વિડીયો પણ જોશું, અને ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ ટોપિક છે, બરાબર? સો ટેક a screenshot of this. You had to come up with this workout. Okay, so this is it from this today's lecture, and write down your roll number in the chat box if you have missed that, and if you have any kind of doubt you can ask me, otherwise you can leave. Okay,
સર
yes.
સર સેકન્ડ ઓક્ટોબર ટર્મ પૂરું થઈ જશે?
હા,
સેકન્ડ ઓક્ટોબર આ ટર્મ પૂરું
ના
થઈ
ના
જશે?
ના, સેકન્ડ
તમે
વીક છે, મોસ્ટ પ્રોબેબલી સેકન્ડ વીક છે. તમને વધારે કઈ હશે તો આપણે આગળ ઇન્ફોર્મ કરીશું. ઓકે, so don't worry about that. Okay, any doubt in this, Anu, Johara?
No, sir.
Okay, so you can leave it, and if you have any kind of doubt you can ask me.